This is the elevator at the McLure Education Library in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. We're going to take this for one quick ride. What happened? Huh. Weird. I'm probably doing something wrong because I've never been in one of these before. Inspection certificate's expired. Apparently this is the oldest installed elevator I have seen so far at this university. I'm thinking I might have just gotten this elevator to work. I called up here on 5 and it made it up here. If so, we're just going to take one quick ride down to 2 and back. Oh, you have to hold it down, that's why. Wow. Can't believe I've been on one of these. Here we are in 2. 5. Rough starts. There's your fan. Here we are in 5, and actually on second thought, we're gonna go down to 1. This is a really tiny elevator, 1,500 pound capacity, green interior. And let's head back up. Okay, guess we can't go up, so that'll be it.